our part 2 for Kabakal para sa komunidad. We are excited to show you the performance of our industrial plastic shredder sa Materials Recovery Facility ng Paranaque. Along with our machine installation, there was also a demo and training for the City Environment and Natural Resources Office or CEN. Shredding reduces waste volume and waste disposal or transfer costs. Nakatipid na agad ang City of Paranaque. Ang shredded plastic na ito ay dadalhin na sa recycling or upcycling facility. Hindi na mapupunta sa landfill at lalong maiiwasan ang marine plastic pollution. Not just cleaner and more sustainable communities, but we're also making the corals and the seas happy! Naiisip nyo rin ba? Naiisip ko? Meron ba kayong alam na lugar kung saan alam nyo kailangan talaga ng industrial plastic shredder? Gusto nyo na rin ba aksyonan ang rising daily waste generation at marine plastic pollution sa ating bansa? You know what to do. Message us about our waste management solutions and follow us to support the work we do for the environment.